and welcome back to another episode of Bold News. My name is Aiden, reporting for Bold News. Today we're getting a Romy, ancient Romy to be exact. You could say that me and him are like Romulus and Remus. You know, we're sort of like that because they're like the supposed people who founded ancient Rome and were the people who founded this show. According to the myth, we would also be nursed by a she-wolf as well, so neat. Wait, if we're going along with this myth gag thing, does that mean that you're gonna kill me and then this show is gonna be called Aiden News? Let's not talk about that. I probably wouldn't even be able to run this show by myself, you know? It costs too much. I wonder if Romans felt the same way, you know, with their Aureses. I don't know. What are those? A coin that started existing in Rome around 50 BC. Okay, well, let's, Rome. Did you know ancient Romans washed their clothes in urine? That's not in your script or the teleprompter. The teleprompter isn't even here. It's an iPad. We have a video about ancient Rome. Roll it. Okay. Hey, endothermic vertebrates. Today in this video, we're going deep into ancient Rome history. Here's some 5 fun facts. Ancient Romans ate flamingo. Did you know Romans ate dinners on couches, like dinner parties, or just like cows and almonds? If only we were still allowed to do that today, Dad. Are you polytheistic? Probably not. But guess who will? The Romans will. If you were lonely, you could pray to Cupid, the Roman god of love. Guess who needs to do that? Hey Avery. Just kidding, this is my project. Y'all know about the Colosseum, right? Well, did you know that the Romans flooded it so they could have some epic boat battles? I regret doing this. Julius Caesar died on the 15th of March. Wow, that's a great video, you know? I definitely need a new army for this show, like Rome had from the beginning. Also more people. We only have like 3 people in this production team, and also Logan. According to tradition, Rome had like 7 kings before it even became a republic. Did you know the reason Rome's architecture was so successful was because of their concrete? What? How would you even know that? Your script is done. We've been talking normally this entire time. The Pantheon dome in Rome is the biggest unsupported dome made out of concrete. What? Why does that matter? Caesar never married Cleopatra. I know. I'm gonna get out of the studio, thanks. Bold News is a parody of Eagle News. We are filming this in the Eagle News studio. This is a social studies project for a 20-point grade. I did my noodle tours. I have been doing my noodle tours this entire time. Ancient Rome, I guess. Walk.
This is way epic.
Wait, I have to get in the shot.
We gotta get the feet footage.
Get in the shot.
Get the feet footage. We need the feet footage.
I need the foot.
Get the feet footage.
Look at my foot.
Cool.